This instructional video will teach you how to use Nexis Uni. Nexis Uni is a database that contains over 15,000 news, legal, and business sources. You can use Nexis Uni to find legal documents, including cases, law reviews, and U.S. Supreme Court decisions. From the Moffett Library homepage, click Find a Database. Nexis Uni can be accessed from the A to Z databases list. Select the letter N and Nexis Uni from the list. This takes you to the Nexis Uni homepage. For information on how to access databases from off-campus, see our other videos. From here, you can search using the search box near the top of the page or with the guided search feature. Use guided search to limit your search to a certain type of publication, such as cases or law reviews. In addition to searching by keyword, guided search provides additional options for searching, including a range of dates. Click Search to retrieve available results. For this search, the user has selected federal cases and is searching for healthcare from the last 3 months. The left sidebar on the results list provides further options for refining your search. To view the article, click on its title within the results list. If you need further help using Nexis Uni, you may contact the Moffett Library staff.